Historic newspapers can be really valuable when doing genealogical research. In them we find obituaries as well as news of births, marriages, and other family events. The Collins Hill branch is home to our newspaper archive. You can access recent physical copies of the Gwinnett Daily Post. You can also look at older editions of this and other regional newspapers, including the AJC, on microfilm. To use the reader, just sign into the computer using your library card and PIN number. Then open the software. Next, you load your microfilm. A quick start guide with pictures is available, but our branch staff would also be happy to help you get started. Once you find the article you're looking for, you can save a copy as a JPEG or PDF file, or you can pay to print it. When you're done, you just leave the microfilm in the basket next to the reader, and we'll put it away for you. So, what will you discover?